Are you one of them who understands English perfectly well but frees up the moment when you have to speak? Today I'm going to share only three simple daily habits that will make you from freezing up to speaking up in English confidently without learning English grammar rules for hours. So let's start. Number one, you do not need a huge vocabulary of words to start speaking in English. Don't overwhelm yourself by learning new words every day. Just start speaking simple sentences like, give me some water, or I want to sleep early today. Be consistent in practicing speaking in English. Do not stop if you make any mistake. In the beginning, you can mix your English with a little bit touch of Urdu, like, I tried my best, but koi fayda nahi hua. Or, let's just not overcomplicate this. Simple si baat hai. By doing this, you will gain confidence in speaking in English. And trust me, mixing a little bit of Urdu doesn't make you look bad. It actually sounds natural. Number two, listen. Before a child speaks, a child listens. He listens again and again, every day, and then he speaks whatever he listens. You must do that. Listen short sentences. Listen to the simple sentences and then repeat them. Repeat them with your tongue. Do not just repeat them in your heart. Repeat them by moving your tongue. Believe me, you will learn speaking like your speaker. Listen to your favorite English persons 15 minutes every day. Number 3. Practice speaking in English to yourself. Like, look at yourself in the mirror and speak whatever you listen today. Or you can try my this video. Whatever I am saying in the video, you can say the same things in mirror to yourself. Like this, you will learn so much and then you will thank me later. One more tip. Start thinking in English. Whatever you think, translate your sentences in English in your mind the whole day. Now take a deep breath and say with me, I am not wasting my time. I am learning the courage and motivation to start speaking in English. If you want to see me again, then subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.